Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's having a great day. This is an open collaboration, and it is called Plan With Me Monday 25. And the host is Brenda, myself, Maniac Grammy. I'll give you the information right here. This is all you need. I'd love for you to join in on this collaboration. You can plan anything that you would like, a trip, your menu that you're going to eat for the week, cleaning, a vacation trip, your schedule at work or your husband's schedule or your children's schedule. I mean, kids can keep you quite busy, I know. I raised 2 boys. I have grandchildren that's all adults now. And I have a great grandbaby, and she's going to be 2 in August. And Mama's going to have another baby in August. So I'm so happy. I can't wait for Genevieve to get up there in kindergarten so I can start going to her stuff that she's having. So this is what I planned for this week. Let me find the week here. Oh, and I'm also using this calendar book that I got. I like it because you can just flip pages. I got this at the Dollar Tree when they came out in November or December, whenever they put the calendars out, and I absolutely love it. I bought a few extra. Here is my schedule. I'll show you. It looks a little blank, and I'm going to explain why. Here, and I'll read this to you in case you want to look. You can take a still or whatever. I put some pretty stickers all over. The flowers are starting to bloom, and the air smells so good, and folks cutting their grass and butterflies flying. Let me read to you. Turkey. Today we're having turkey breast, mashed potatoes, and rhubarb pie. Now, I might have a vegetable. Ray doesn't eat vegetables unless it's in a salad and very light vegetables. Or soup. If I make a soup, he'll eat vegetables. So today, laundry, wash floors, plant in the raised beds. And we're currently having showers today. It's Monday. I don't have anything pre-recorded. I looked outside and it started raining, and I said, oh no, Maggie, you got your pillow outside. I ran and brought it in. So that's for today. Tuesday, we're going to have tacos and refried beans. And it's Dad and Mom's day. Grocery for my dad, shopping. Maggie gets groomed and plant in the garden. I've got to get my zinnias and bachelor buttons and calendula all in. Hopefully, if I can't, Ray will have to do it for me. Wednesday, we're going to have chop suey. Now, a lot of you folks call it some goulash, I think. Here in Maine, we call it chop suey. It's elbow macaroni, hamburg, pasta sauce, or stewed tomatoes, or make your own sauce. You can put a little bit of onion and green pepper in it. Then I'm doing laundry, changing the bedding. I'm going to dust. I'm going to clean both bathrooms. And I'm going to try to get whatever planning done if I have any. Thursday, we're having leftovers, rest. And I'm going to leave it at that for now. Friday, we're going to have haddock, coleslaw, and fries, and rest. Saturday, we're going to have a barbecue, maybe some planting, sitting down if I can, and rest. Sunday, rest, and next week, probably rest with light work. Sunday, I'm going back into the hospital, and I'm having my X-Onyx either repositioned or moved to the other side of my lower back butt cheek. Reason being, I had to have some x-rays on my hip because I took another fall in the greenhouse. I kind of hurt my hip. I smacked the back of my head on a 5-gallon bucket and still got an egg size on the back of my head. It was quite a fall. I got to pay attention. But anyways, I'm going in to have that replaced. Hopefully it's going to work as well as it's working now. It works 100% great. And it controls your bladder and bowels. I don't have a bowel problem, but I do have a bladder problem. And I've had bladder problems since 1970, in the 70s. I've had bladder tuck-ups. I've had Botox in the bladder. I'd rather have Botox in the face than the bladder. And this is something fairly new. It's an implant. It came out, I think, about 4 years ago. So the rate of it is like 90% effective for people. And if you know of anybody with the bladder problems, have them look up Axonics, ANOXICS, I think. It'll be down in the description box. So that is going to leave me being rest, no bending, no lifting, which is very hard, no twisting. So I've got to make up and do what I can this week. But hopefully this is the last thing I got. The problem why they've got to move it is when they did the x-rays, the Axonics is in the way and they can't view the lower back. That's it for today. I hope you join in on Plan With Me Monday. And this is it for videos today. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And we'll see you tomorrow for Tea Tuesday. Bye now.